There's the seaplane taking off down there, if you can hear it from all the way up here. The best view in the island. See if I can find that seaplane. Yeah, there it is. So that's going to St. Croix. That's where I'm going tomorrow. And that's going somewhere southeast. There's the southeast end of the island, and here southwest. Look at that sun setting that side. Another nice big boat leaving right there. Yeah, I think that's the boat I saw, and I was down in that part of the bay. Yeah, that's right. I heard they leave at 5 o'clock. Yeah, they both leave it at the same time. Almost every day.